Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a customer quote in your QuickBooks Online account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a customer quote in your QuickBooks Online anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers are going to compare your pricing with other people and they do request a customer quote. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a customer quote, what you're going to do is go ahead and click on this plus new button right here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu right here under customers and you want to click on estimate. Okay, guys, so here is where you can put together your customer quote. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and choose the customer you're going to send this to. So click on this downward arrow. Okay, go ahead and choose a customer that you're working with. If your customer is not already uploaded into your QuickBooks, you can easily click right here, add new, and then add that customer's information. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use this person right here. Next, you're going to go ahead and enter the email address that they will receive their customer quote. And basically all you're going to do is just fill this out. So the estimate date, we'll go ahead and use today's date. It's already pre-populated. And the expiration date. So if your customer is going to shop you out, sometimes you want to put an expiration date on this, or if you feel like, supply charges are going to change within the next week or 2 weeks, go ahead and put an end date on this. So we'll just do this for 1 month. So our customer quote is good for 1 month. Okay, here we're going to go ahead and list off as much information as we can. So service date, let's go ahead and add that for next week. So we'll do November 5th. And then the service. So I have this service right here. If your service is not already uploaded into your QuickBooks Online, simply click on add new, and you can go ahead and follow the steps and add a new service in. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use a service I already have. So drop down and click there. The description, this is for your customer quote. So you can list off what's included, what's not included, the expectations, you can put all that right here. And then quantity, are they ordering 1 or 2, the rate, and then the total amount. So if you want to put some sort of a disclaimer right here, so customer provides the supplies or some sort of terms, you can go ahead and put that down here. So once your customer quote is done, you can go ahead and click on save, and that's going to save it if you need to send it out later, or you can go ahead and click on this little arrow and save and send. So this will be sent directly to your email that you put in right here. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and click on print or preview right here. So maybe if you have an in-person business, you can go ahead and print that out and provide it to your customer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a customer quote in your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.